beautiful. My name is Carrie and today I am bringing you this gorgeous, sultry, and dramatic eye makeup look using the Brow Bar by Reema Sapphire Siren Face Kit. With the Sapphire Siren kit already being so versatile, I knew I wanted to make a look and highlight this beautiful blue color. Whether you're getting ready to go out on a hot date or just giving yourself a makeover, this palette is going to give you everything you need and more. The palette includes a brush, 4 beautiful eyeshadow colors, highlight, contour, translucent powder, and blush. The kit is compact and lightweight so you can take it anywhere you go. Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get this look and how to transform it into a unique Halloween look. Starting out with fresh glowing skin, we are going to apply foundation and concealer if you'd like, and then take the translucent powder from the face kit and set your foundation with it. Today I'm using the Brow Bar by Reema Brow Makeover Kit for beautiful, flawless brows. It's always helpful to prime your eyes before applying the eye makeup. We are using the Brow Bar by Reema Blue Gel Eyeliner. I'm taking an angled brush and beginning to map out the design. I'm angling the lines upward from the end of my eyelid in the direction of the tail of your brow. I like to work back and forth between each eye to make sure it's very even. And next you can begin mapping out where the rest of the eyeliner and eyeshadow will go. For this look, we're going for a very vibrant blue, so you can pack on a little bit more of the eyeliner and blend it out toward the center of your eye. You can use the brush or your fingers. Now we're digging into the good stuff with the vibrant blue shade in the Sapphire Siren Face Kit. I'm just tapping on the color, and then I begin blending out around the liner that we drew on. This will give it a little bit more of a smoky effect. We're tapping into the black matte shadow and applying it near the outer corner and blending it inward. Here is what one side looks like with the shadow, and here I have the eyeshadow on both eyes. Next, we're taking the highlighter and we're going to press a lot of it onto the center of your eyes. You can blend that into the blue a little bit and it'll give it a beautiful shimmery effect. I'm using my fingers to blend it even more. Again, we're taking that black matte shadow and lightly going underneath the eyes just to make everything more cohesive. Continuing with the Sapphire Siren kit, I am taking a contour shade and lightly sculpting the face. Next, we're going in with the blush, and you'll top it off with a little extra glow using the highlight. The Brow Bar by Reema Diva lashes have the perfect shape for this eyeshadow look. I like to go in with the Kajal pencil under my upper waterline, right below my lashes. And our look is not complete without the 90210 lip color from Brow Bar by Reema. Steps, we're going to take this beautiful Sapphire Siren look from a wearable look to a Halloween look. The two things you need to transform your look are the Brow Bar by Reema Chrome Lipstick. The shade is Midnight Blue. And you can get creative with a variety of rhinestones. You can use blue, you can use clear, white, whatever colors you want. And then you will just need some eyelash glue or skin safe adhesive to put your rhinestones on. is my final Sapphire Siren Halloween or glam, just very extra makeup using the chrome lipstick from Brow Bar by Reema and some extra rhinestones. Cannot wait to see your Sapphire Siren makeup looks. Make sure to tag Brow Bar by Reema. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.